No, you're not doing it right.
Rhaze, is it alright?
Yeah, that one's fine.
Okay.
Are you on video though?
I think so. Have a quick look just to check.
Why is it so dark? Are you filming? Yeah, you are filming.
Okay. Zoom, zoom.
Watch out!
I'm a good video guy. Cameraman. That's Rachel's lunch. Yummers. Yeah. There's no animals, rip off. Ooh.
What is it?
What is it, Tristan? It's like some sort of wallaby, isn't it?
It's a kangaroo.
Yeah, it's a kangaroo. That's how big they get.
No, it's not.
That's how big they get.
Wallaby.
I just filmed your butt. Okay. And Tristan's as well. So where are we going, Rachel?
I don't know.
Directions. They should get like little those two-wheeler things you can stand on and drive around.
Segway?
Segways. That'd be cool.
I don't know what we're doing with trial mix toys.
Oh no, there's kangaroos. We'll feed it to the kangaroos. Worst case scenario. That's who I normally feed it to anyway.
Come on. Undo your spot. Undo your spot. Come on. Undo your spot. Come on. Undo your spot. Good boy. No.
Oh, cool.
Oh my god. Oh. Let's see these guys. It's like chocolate.
Is it recording?
Yeah, that's recording. Okay, I'm scared. Wait. Finish.
See, they don't bite, babe.
Okay, that's good. He's trying to do that. That was so scary. I can see the teeth.
You can film and still take a picture.
Yeah.
Look at me, babe.
Oh, wow, you're actually good. Oh, wow. No, don't. Strong tail. There's no one hopping over there as well. Yeah. Can you take a picture as well? I don't want to touch you, I'm sorry. You like that? Yeah. Oh, let's go. Hi guys! Hapon na ng Monday. When was my last vlog? Saturday. Yeah, Saturday pa yung last vlog ko. We went to Cleland, yung wildlife park. And hindi nga sana ako mag-vlog that day kasi kasama namin yung kapatid ni Mr. Bear. Pero sabi niya mag-vlog ka kasi gusto nilang makita to. Sabi ko ayoko kasi nahihiya ako kasama namin kapatid niya. Tsaka yung asawa, tsaka yung baby. Tapos yeah, so yun, siya nag-vlog. Sinintay ko lang siya. I'm actually all ready na. Naglinis ako ng bahay kanina. I actually didn't like need to talaga. Pero wala lang, feel ko lang. Naglinis ako ng bahay. O diba, why not? And I think in 30 minutes darating na yun. Tapos pupunta kami sa Rosary para mamili ng ingredients for my dinner, for our dinner later. So yeah, gagawa ako ng something, we'll see. And also, siguro pupunta din kami ng Target. Maghanap ako ng mga susuotin ko. Kasi wala akong, pang as in sobrang malamig na damit. Marami akong mga ganito, yung mga jumpers and all that ish. Pero yung parang sobrang lamig talaga, Marami actually. Kasi nag-order ako, diba? Sinabi ko nga sa inyo na marami ako hindi naman as in marami, over naman. Meron ako mga in-order. Dumating na sila lahat actually. Not lahat. Pero dumating na most of the stuff that I ordered. And halos lahat sa kanila, hindi ko bet. I mean, okay lang siya. Pero yung fit, talagang hindi pa rin siya ganun ka like 1,000% na komportable ako na this fits me. Talaga hindi. Mga malalaki sila, you guys. So maghahanap ako sa kids section. Nag-bake nga pala kami ng cake kagabi. Ito yung carrot cake. Masarap siya. Yummer siya, you guys. Nag-bake kami kasi sabi ni Mr. Bear, para daw sa 20,000 subscribers. Nakakalok. Nag-bake pa talaga. Hindi sana namin gagawin kagabi. Sabi ko, gusto ko kumain ng cake. So yeah, ginawa namin kagabi. And I'm just gonna eat a slice. What?
You're like, I go outside too much these days.
Yeah, I've been going out. We're going to Kmart, Kohl's. We're going everywhere. It's so cold. Oh, when do you have to put that here?
Every Tuesday morning it's collected.
Tuesday morning? Okay. Just that one?
It's rubbish bin and green bin today, and
Okay.
next week is rubbish bin and to recycle.
Next week. Okay. Let's go.
Yeah.
I get a package today and it came here in the neighbor again. Second time. Okay. I didn't vlog, but we got close. And we're going Pasta Deli?
Correct.
Pasta Deli. Not pasta? No?
Pasta.
Oh, Pasta Deli.
Pasta deli.
I said pasta. You said yeah.
Close enough.
Close enough. Where is it?
Next door. This is like another Asian grocery. That's what those fire noodles are there.
The what?
We'll have a quick walk in there afterwards.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that looks cool. Maybe they have the noodles there.
I do.
The fire
We already
noodles?
got the fire noodle.
Yeah, I already have one.
That's where they were going.
Okay.
Green bricks.
Pasta Deli. That's a cool sign.
It is. Yeah.
Oh, it's a new shop?
I've been here for a few years now, like 3 or 4 years.
Okay. We're going to Target. Target. Do you know when I showed this on my vlog? A lot of people said, I wish we have Target in the Philippines because we don't. I don't think Target will ever go to the Philippines.
I don't know if this is the same as the American Target though.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I don't know, but I don't think it is.
Oh, it is the same. Like, same logo.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really cute.
Yeah, it is different.
Probably could make that. How much is it?
You probably can't make it for what they sell it for. I know, probably be $10, $5.
Dinner time, yummers. I didn't vlog while I did it, but whatever. Next time. Yum. This is my breakfast. Look at that egg though. Isn't that perfect? Para sa akin, perfect yung egg na yan. And then I have my coffee as usual. This is yung Nescafe na cappuccino thingy. And yesterday we got me a different coffee. So I'm gonna be trying out this mocha cappuccino again. Yes. Kasi hindi ko, as in, sobrang paborito yung cappuccino na Nescafe. So we're trying that mocha one and we'll see if I like it. And today, I think, I'm not sure if I will though, but I think I'm gonna film this. If I get really hungry, siguro i-film ko yan. Parang naglalaway na ako sa noodles. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy na we found that. And then, di ba nagpunta kami sa isang Asian store kahapon, nakita din namin siya. So, if ever I will like it, meron ng mas malapit na alam namin. Sinabi ko kay Mr. Bear kung gusto niya, pero ayaw niya eh. Sabi ko sana, kung gusto mo tayong dalawa, gawin natin yung challenge. Sabi niya, ayoko kasi matatalo daw siya kasi hindi siya mahilig sa mga spicy. Guys, I will cook this para ma-film ko siya kasi hindi pa ako nag-lunch and sabi ko, gutom na ako. I think it's a perfect time na i-film ko to. Well, gutom na pa ako kasi malaki siya and I'm pretty sure hindi ko siya mauubos. Pero, yeah, now nagutom na ako, we'll see. Kasi diba yung challenge, you're supposed to like finish it and see kung mauubos mo talaga siya kasi nga spicy siya. So, we'll see. Hindi ko alam kung paano lutuin to. Yes, we'll see. Parang pancit canton lang to, diba? Okay. Okay, vlog ko to you guys kasi baka sabihin nyo hindi ko nilagay. So, nilagay ko na lahat. So, wala nang natira dyan. And then, ito rin nilagay ko dito. So, ito yung laman nito parang seaweed. Tapos, yung mga may parang seeds, ganun. Tapos, yung isa is itong pinaka-sauce niya. Oh my gosh, it actually smells really good and I cannot wait kasi I'm starving. Guys, I just finished filming it and sobrang sakit ng ulo ko. Grabe, ang anghang pala talaga noon. Ay, nako, nakakaloka. Akala ko pa naman, yun na. Yun na yung magiging lunch ko. Kasi nga, diba, hindi pa ako kumain. Pero, di siya nakakabusog. Wala. Yung na-feel ko lang talaga sa kanya, sobrang anghang. I'm not sure when that video will be up. I'm gonna cook this turon saba banana roll with jackfruit, something like that. So, yeah, lulutuin ko yan. I already have my oil here. It's heating up and I'm gonna cook this. I'm excited. Ang tsaka naman ng turon ko, bakit ang itim? Nakakaloka. Feeling ko kasi sobrang init ng mantika pagkalagay ko sa kanya. Next time, hindi ko na siya sobrang iinit. Hi guys! So, hinihintay ko sa Mr. Bear, diba? And while hinihintay ko siya, nagbabasa ako ng mga comments. And I came across this comment, yung video ko na yung background ko is yung TV. Tapos sa likod is meron yung picture frame namin dalawa na Mr. Bear. Tapos parang kinakover ko yung mata niya, ganun. Someone commented, sabi niya, ay may picture nga, pero hindi naman pinakita yung, hi babe! Mamaya ako na nga sabihin sa inyo. I'm gonna vlog.
Can I have your old camera? Once you want
Yeah,
one?
you can, of
Because my
course.
camera's a bit stuck away.
So I was vlogging today and then you came home. I was actually telling them. No, I was telling them. Someone commented on my video
Okay.
when I had that TV background and they can see our
Photo? Yep.
And then this girl said, there's a photo but his face is still covered, like, you know. And then one girl responded to that comment and she said, maybe he's hiding something, maybe he's married. I'm gonna block that girl.
Don't block her.
I'm gonna block
No,
her.
don't block her.
No, that's mean though.
not
Like,
mean.
it is
It's
mean.
not me.
It is mean.
Jeez, I get called worse.
She doesn't know you.
Doesn't matter. It's not me.
It's mean. I'm gonna block her.
Don't block her.
I will.
You're not blocked. She's not blocking you.
I'm blocking you.
You're not blocked.
For sure. No, I don't like that comment. Like, why would you do that?
Okay.
No, why would you do that though? That's rude.
It's not a rude. It's probably a reasonable question. Why is he hiding his face all the time?
You're not. It's just. It so happened that that's the picture we like, so we put it there. It's not that we're hiding you. I mean, there's a picture of me in your house and you're married. Are you kidding
It's because
me?
I'm extremely ugly.
Yeah, that's why. He's ugly. That's why
Very
he's not showing
ugly.
his face.
Very
It's not
ugly.
because he's married. You. Rude you. So mean, this girl. This girl. Costco. We're going to Costco. Are you laughing?
No.
Ooh, cold. Ooh, lappy, babe.
Sorry?
Lappy.
On electronic, like nothing, not cheaper. Like,
Yeah. This reminds me of Costuless in Cayman. That's the shop that I always go to.
okay.
In Cayman, it looks like this, like really high ceiling. Oh, the jackets, babe. Look it.
Oh yeah, that's what sort of jump.
Hi guys! We just got home and yeah, nagpunta kami ng Costco. Nakabili lang kami ng mga jacket, yung isusuot namin sa football. Actually, parang hindi sana siya bibili. Ako lang sana, kaya lang napabili na din siya. So, medyo matchy-matchy. Hindi naman super matchy, pero yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna cook Kapampangan longganisa and tocino. Wow, longganisa and tocino in one? Okay, anyway, yung rice ko cooking na. And ganito itsura ng, oops. Ganyan yung itsura ng Kapampangan, longganisa, and tocino. Oh, beef tapa. Oh, okay. Yummers. This is going to be our dinner. Ipa-fry ko lang siya. And yep. Let's do it. Maya ko na pala lutuin. Pagdating na lang ni Mr. Bear. Kasi pagdating niya, maliligo pa yun. So, pagdating niya na lang para fresh pa rin yung fresh pa rin. Pero you know what I mean, para mainit pa rin yung ulam. Ito yung binili namin, yung ganito lang na jacket. Nakikita nyo ba? Parang, hindi ko alam ang tawag dito sa jacket na to, puffer? I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't really know. So, yun yung sa kanya, tapos yung sa akin ito. Para kapag, umuulan, kasi parang waterproof ata to. Yeah, whatever. Ito na yung dinner, you guys. So, we will have dinner. And that's basically it for the night. And yeah, nakapajamas na ako. Kasi kanina, naghugas na ako ng kanina, winash ko na yung face ko and all that. Para pagkatapos kumain, mag-edit, tapos matulog na. So, that's basically it for this vlog. And I hope you enjoyed watching. Please do like if you did. Do not forget, be good. I hope to see you in my next one. Do not forget, be good. Yeah, I said it twice. Okay, bye.